Hey guys, today I have a story for you with some interesting vocabulary, I hope. And this is about argumentative Matryoshka dolls. Some argumentative Matryoshka dolls. What are Matryoshka dolls? These are dolls which are very popular in Russia, for example, and they are made of wood and they are of decreasing size and they're placed one inside another. So, I hope you will have fun watching my story. Hey there, here's a story for you about some argumentative Matryoshka dolls. So here you can see 10 Matryoshka dolls. They are numbered from 1, the biggest, to 10, the smallest. Now, doll 10 says, "Hey, the big one, you must be thinking you're the foremost Matryoshka doll here, and you can regard the small dolls with contempt, right? Why would you bother to talk to such a lowly doll as me?" "Well," doll 1 answers, "I never said anything like that. Actually, you are so small that I didn't even know you exist." Now some vocabulary. Foremost. This means most important. Matryoshka doll, or just Matryoshka, is a set of wooden dolls of decreasing size placed one inside another. Contempt. Contempt is a feeling that someone or something is not worthy of any respect or approval. Lowly. This means low in rank, position, or importance. Now doll 9 says, "Look at the shrew, she doesn't even know we exist. The fact that you were scooped out first doesn't mean you can undermine our self-confidence." "That's not what I'm trying to do, I just meant..." Now, shrew. It's quite old-fashioned. It means an unpleasant, bad-tempered woman. Here you can see some examples of shrews. Scoop out. This means to make a hole, hollow, etc. by using a scoop, spoon, etc. Undermine. This means to make someone or something weaker or less effective, usually in a secret or gradual way. Doll 8 says, "We know what you meant. Your shrewish tongue disgusts me. But wait, you will come crawling back to us for forgiveness." "I didn't know you were so argumentative," doll 1 says. Now, shrewish. This means it's also old-fashioned and used of a woman, unpleasant and bad-tempered. Disgust. This means to cause someone to feel very annoyed and angry. You will come crawling back to us. Come crawling back to someone or go crawling back to someone means to go to someone for help or approval in a way that shows you are weak or sorry for what you have done. Argumentative. This means tending to argue, having or showing a tendency to disagree or argue with other people in an angry way. Doll 7, speaking to the small dolls. "Hey, listen to her. Now she's talking down to us. She really thinks she's head and shoulders above us." Doll 6, speaking to the small dolls. "Exactly. Look at her. That roly-poly, stocky woman with greasy hair, chubby cheeks, and a bloated face. She needs a dietitian." Now, some vocabulary. Talk down to someone. This means to talk to someone in an overly simple way which suggests that he or she is not intelligent. She's head and shoulders above us. Head and shoulders above is used to say that someone or something is much better than others. Look at her, that roly-poly woman. Roly-poly means short and fat. Now this is what I mean when I say roly-poly. Stocky. This means short and heavy or broad. With greasy hair. Greasy means covered with grease or oil, dirty from grease or oil. Chubby, chubby cheeks. Chubby means somewhat fat. And a bloated face. Bloated means very swollen, too full of liquid, gas, food, etc. And this is what I mean when I say bloated. She needs a dietitian. A dietitian is a person whose job is to give people advice about what to eat in order to be healthy. Hey, stop it! Doll 1 says. I don't want to argue with you. You're all my daughters and granddaughters. I want to offer you an olive branch. Are you cool now? Small dolls. Okay, sorry about what we said. You know how cranky the small Matryoshka dolls can be from time to time. No problem, we're cool. Now, I want to offer you an olive branch. Olive branch is something that is said or done to make peace or to show that you want peace. A symbol of peace. Here you can see what an actual olive branch looks like. Cranky. You know how cranky the small Matryoshka dolls can be. Cranky means easily annoyed or angered. We're cool. You said that to say you forgive someone. So we're cool means I forgive you. Good. And now that you know all this vocabulary, let's have a look at the story one more time. Argumentative Matryoshka dolls. Hey, the big one. You must be thinking you're the foremost Matryoshka doll here, and you can regard the small dolls with contempt, right? Why would you bother to talk to such a lovely doll as me? Well, I never said anything like that. Actually, you're so small that I didn't even know you exist. Look at the shrew. She doesn't even know we exist. The fact that you were scooped out first doesn't mean you can undermine our self-confidence. That's not what I'm trying to do. I just meant… We know what you meant. Your shrewish tongue disgusts me. But wait, you'll come crawling back to us for forgiveness. I didn't know you were so argumentative. Hey, listen to her. Now she's talking down to us. She really thinks she's head and shoulders above us. Exactly. Look at her. That roly-poly stocky woman with greasy hair, chubby cheeks, and a bloated face. She needs a dietitian. Hey, stop it! I don't want to argue with you. You're all my daughters and granddaughters. I want to offer you an olive branch. Are we cool now? Okay, sorry about what we said. You know how cranky the small Matryoshka dolls can be from time to time. No problem, we're cool. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.